Good morning once again. This is attorney Gurpatwant Singh Pannun, and I represent the plaintiffs, that is American Justice Center, and the named plaintiffs who were the victims of the genocide and violence of 2002 under the leadership of Narendra Modi, who was the Chief Minister of the state of Gujarat at that time and the Prime Minister of India at this time. A complaint has been filed against Narendra Modi under ATS and TVPA, which gives jurisdiction for any crimes against humanity and human rights violations that have occurred outside the United States also. So the victims have been in the country for a few years, and their names have been withheld for a reason and for the threat their family members and other victims have gone through. So the threat is not only to the victims, but to their families, as we have all seen from the time Narendra Modi came into the power. Anyone who raises a voice against him, they go through the torture, they go through the reign of terror, including journalists, including all those human rights activists and the attorneys. So we have filed the case with allegations of acts and omissions Narendra Modi committed during 2002 genocidal attacks and violence against the Muslim community. It has been more than 12 years that the victims have been trying to seek justice, and the Indian judicial system, which comes under the political powers of India, even though being a democratic country, would not allow a fair investigation. And that's what happened in the case of Narendra Modi. And he was never charged. And there's no FIRs that have been filed against him. So summons has been issued. We will be discussing the next steps which we are taking to serve him in the coming days. Since he has public engagements throughout Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, so we have hired 3 different process service companies so that we can serve the summons of the court to him. This is basically from our side. I will hand it over to Mr. Wellington. He is the director of AJC, who's the plaintiffs and who are seeking justice for the religious minorities, attacks on religious minorities in India, starting from the Muslim community of 2002.